Governor of Western Equatoria State Alfred Futiyo paid an inspection visit to the broken bridge of Amaki Payam in Maridi County. Speaking to the media, Governor Futiyo pledged to repair the bridge to enhance service delivery to the local communities in the area. The governor added that fixing the bridge would also connect the people of Amaki Payam to the medical centers and have access to market for their produce. Futiyo called for peaceful coexistence among communities in the spirit of the revitalized agreement.
Ashanina bro wile nasi salamu fi haja motini niga kore fogu nina bro limu ashan ba inu ba uluke fasan saduman nasu masika bita marko la di fi mundre karabo anagul kamana na bishilu kalamta sika de mretni na san sika kan mafi akuma mabudo sika kan fi akuma boroa motini boroa yal sukarini boroa kalena shiro priority number 8 de kalamta sika na maneno sulumaridi yale kamani kuburi bita maki karabu ana gulala kaleni na jabada mamaki ini.
In a separate development, Governor Alfred Futiyo also inspected Maridi Hospital, where he placed 120 mattresses, 240 bed seats and 120 mosquito nets.
Ziara bitaile mseswa ana ligo mseswa haja ana ligo fi mseswa yani malum maratibu mafi fa wilaya mafi na msia mafi anina kana zaka wilaya anina gulula lina mabu kale mu nasu bitana ikun tabani zede lazim nishuflum 120 martaba 240 milaya 120 na msia baada ya shan salam mseswa de aikun boys mseswa bita Maridi County.
This comes as a result of his general tour of Western Equatoria State. Reporting for SSBC News, I am Isaac Rudori Emmanuel.